Today we will study chapter 32, perimeter and area of plane figures. In that we will study about the perimeter of the closed figure and the area. Now we will take the first perimeter. So perimeter of triangle equal to sum of its all three sides. Just see the figure. Triangle ABC. The side of triangle are ABC. So perimeter of triangle equal to A plus B plus C, where A, B and C are the side of triangles. Now the perimeter of rectangle, see the figure. ABCD is a rectangle in which AB equal to L and BC equal to B. So perimeter of rectangle equal to 2L plus B. Now perimeter of square equal to 4A, as the perimeter is the side of square are equal in measure. So ABCD is a square whose sides are A, and the perimeter of square equal to 4A. So with the help of these formulae, you will do the sum of exercise 32A. Children, I am taking question number 3, exercise 32A. Here the sum, question number 3, second part I am going to take. The figure you can see, and I complete this all dimension. This is 20 given, this is 8 and it is 4. So 3 mark here, 3 mark here, 3 mark here, that means 3 sides are equal. 2 mark here, 2 mark here, that means these 2 sides are equal. 1 mark here, 1 mark here and 1 mark here, that is 4 centimeter. So these are 3 equal. Now what is perimeter? Perimeter is the sum of all sides. Sum of all sides. So now add this 4 plus 20 plus 8 plus 4 plus 20 plus 4 plus 8 plus 20. So the sum of this 88 centimeter. So perimeter of this figure is 88 centimeter. Children, I am taking question number 4, first part. Given the length of rectangle is 40 centimeter, breadth equal to 35 centimeter, find the perimeter. So you know all. What is perimeter? Perimeter equal to 2L plus B. So 240 plus 35, that is 2 into 40 plus 35, that is 75, goes to 75, that is 150 centimeter. So perimeter of this rectangle is 150 centimeter. Now the question number 5, first part. Given that perimeter equal to 38, breadth equal to 7, we have to find the length. Use the formula B equal to 2L plus B. 38 equal to 2L plus 7. 38 plus 2 equal to L plus upon 2 equal to L plus 7. 38 upon 2, that is 19. 19 equal to L plus 7 or L equal to 19. 7 will come here on the left side and will subtract from 19. So L equal to 19 minus 7 equal to 12 centimeters. That is your answer of your question number 5, first part. So in that manner you will do the sum. One more question, question number 6 is that the side of square equal to 1.6 given, and we have to find the perimeter. You know what the perimeter of a square equal to 4 into side, that is 4 into 1.6, that is 6.4 meter. So your answer is 6.4 meter. Children, I am taking question number 8, in which given the square field has each side 70 meter, whereas the rectangle field has length 50 meter and the breadth 40 meter. So which of the two field has greater perimeter and by how much? So first, whatever given, just write it. Given side of square equal to 70 meter, length of rectangle 50 meter, breadth of rectangle 40 meter, perimeter of square will be 4 into side, that is 4 into 70, that is 280 meter. Perimeter of rectangle equal to 2L plus B, that is 2 into 50 plus 40, that is 2 into 90, that is 180. So clearly the square has greater perimeter, and by 280 minus 180, that is 100 meter. So in that manner you will do the sum. Children, I am taking question number 12, in which given a school playground are rectangle in shape with length 120 meter and the breadth 90 meter. Some school boys run along the boundary of the playground and make 15 complete rounds in 45 minutes. How much distance did they run during this period? So distance covered by boys in one round equal to the perimeter of the playground, and you know perimeter equal to 2 into L plus B, that is 2 into 120 plus 90, or 2 into 210, or 420 meters. So distance covered by the boys in one round equal to 420 meters. So distance covered by boys in 15 round, that is 15 into 420, that is 6300 meter answer. So in that manner we will do the sum number 12. Children are taking question number 14. Given perimeter of a rectangle field is 68 centimeter and the length is given twice the breadth. So that we will take L equal to 2b. So here we have perimeter of rectangle, you all know P equal to 2L plus B. P 60, right here 60. 2. L is equal to 2B, write the 2B in place of L plus B. 2B plus B gives the 3B. 2 into 3B, that gives the 6B. 6B equal to 60 or B equal to 6 will go in the denominator, will divide the 60. That will give the 10. So B equal to 10 or B 10 centimeters. So L equal to 2B, that is 2 into 10 equal to 20 centimeters. So in that manner you will do the sum and get the length of rectangle, that is 20 centimeters. Children, now taking question number 18, in which given length of each side of regular pentagon equal to 12 centimeter and also given perimeter of regular pentagon equal to perimeter of regular hexagon. And you know the regular having the 5 side, pentagon having the 5 side, and the regular hexagon having the 6 side. So let the length of each side of regular hexagon equal to A. So use the condition given. 6A equal to 5 into 12 as the pentagon having the 5 side. So 5 in perimeter of the pentagon will be the 5 into 12, that is 60. So 6A equal to 60, A equal to 60 upon 6, that is 10. So A equal to 10 centimeters. So length of each side of regular hexagon A equal to 10 centimeters, that is your answer. So in that manner you will do the sum number 18. Question number 20, in which given the wire is bent into the form equilateral triangle of each side 20 centimeter, and if the same wire is bent in the form of a square, find the side of square. So first what is given, the side of equilateral triangle be 20 centimeter and the perimeter of the equilateral triangle will be equal to perimeter of a square. As the given the triangle, the shape of triangle is equal to the length of triangle, equal to the length of square. That means the perimeter of equilateral triangle equal to perimeter of square. So we will equalize this. Let the side of a square be A. So perimeter of the square will be 4A and the perimeter of the equilateral triangle equal to 3 into side, that is 20 centimeters, 3 to 20. So 4A equal to 3 into 20, A equal to 3 into 20 upon 4, 4, 5 is 20, 5, 3 is 15, A equal to 15. So side of square will be 15 centimeter, that is your answer. In that manner you will do question number 20.